everyone! Today we will see how to make a simple and easy beach cake. To make this beach cake or an ocean cake, I've taken a round 7 inches cake. You can use whichever sized cake you want. Make sure the cake board is much larger than the cake you're using, or the serving platter which you're using. Make sure it's a little larger than the cake because we're going to be decorating all around the cake also. Slice the cake into two. We are going to soak and fill this cake. Soak one layer of the cake with sugar syrup. I have used sugar, water and a little bit of coffee to soak this cake. Soak the cake well so that it's nice and tasty when you eat. I used some condensed milk chocolate buttercream to fill this cake. The recipe for this condensed milk chocolate buttercream is already posted in my YouTube channel. If you want to have a look, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check that out. You need not make a separate filling to fill this cake like this condensed milk buttercream. You can use the whipped cream frosting that we are going to use to cover this cake to fill this cake as well. After you fill this cake, place the next layer of chocolate cake on top of this and soak this layer also thoroughly. Now to make the frosting, I am using 1 cup of whipping cream. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to it and then add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and then start whipping this cream. Beat the cream for 3 to 4 minutes till you get stiff peaks. Take a little bit of this whipped cream and cover the buttercream that we used to fill this cake. Cover the sides of the cake with the whipped cream. Next we are going to make the sand for the seashore. For this I have taken 2 small biscuit packets. Break the biscuits and put it in a blender and blend it till it's nice and smooth and powdery like this. Take the powdered biscuit in a small bowl and then I'm going to add some melted butter to it. Melt about 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter and add it in and mix it nicely with the powdered biscuits. The reason why I added a little bit of melted butter to the biscuit is because when you mix it nicely with the butter, the biscuit will become like wet sand. So then it will be easier for you to put it on top of the cake and the biscuits will stick nicely to the cake. Now take the powdered biscuits and add it to 1/2 of the cake to make it look like seashore. Press the powdered biscuits all around the sides of the cake also. Leave the cake in the fridge till we finish the next step. This will help the biscuits to stick properly to the cake. Next I'm going to color the whipped cream to make the ocean. For this take a little bit of the whipped cream, separate it into 2 separate bowls and I'm going to add some blue color to it. I made 2 shades of the blue color, a dark blue and a light blue. To do this, take a toothpick and take a little bit of color and then dip it in the whipped cream. Add a little bit in the beginning, mix it and then if needed you can add a little more. Once you're done coloring the cream, bring the cake from the fridge and then we can start applying the blue color. Take the darkest and deepest shade of blue and apply it at the bottom of the cake to make it look like the deep end of the ocean. And the lighter shade of blue you can apply it on top of the cake. remaining white whipped cream in a piping bag and pipe a layer of this cream at the junction of the seashore and the ocean to make it look like the waves. The waves are usually much lighter than the deep end of the ocean, so add a little bit of white here and there and make it appear much lighter shade of blue. And then with your spatula you can do a design to make it look like the waves. Take the remaining blue whipped cream and apply it on the cake board also. This is why I chose a larger cake board, because I was going to decorate the ocean and the seashore with the whipped cream and biscuits. So this is how it looks right now. Now we can start decorating the beach and the seashore. To decorate the ocean and the seashore, you can use the remaining white whipped cream and pipe out some fishes and shells or crabs or starfish like this. But I made only the starfish with the whipped cream. The remaining sea creatures I made it with fondant. But it's very easy to pipe out sea creatures. You can make shells, you can make fishes with the whipped cream itself. To make the sea creatures, I used a very simple fondant recipe. I will share this fondant recipe very soon. Once I made the fondant, my daughter helped me in making all these sea creatures. We had a sea creature chocolate mold at home. Using that, my daughter made all the sea creatures with the fondant. So now it's time to decorate the cake. Place the fishes, the seashells and the turtle, everything all around the ocean and the seashore. And then if you have a mocktail umbrella like this, you can place that also. With the remaining whipped cream, I tinted it green in color and then made some plants all around. And then I sprinkled some more biscuits around the seashore on top of the shells to make it look more natural. So this is it, a very simple and easy beach cake or an ocean cake is done. Even though it's such a simple cake, it's a very different kind of cake that you can make for a birthday. So do try it out. Until next time, bye-bye.